In this video, I'll be showing you 3 ways how to lace your Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy SneakerholicBeez, and I'm back with another lace tutorial, this time on the Air Jordan 4 Black Cats. If you're new to the channel and haven't yet, make sure that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Also, hit that like button and help me rank higher in YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into these lace tutorials. Because the sneakers are black, I decided to use white laces so that you can actually see the actual lace, the lace styles. Let's go with the first lace style. Come across. Keeping everything neat. Go under. Like such. And over. Under again. Over. Should be seeing, you'll be able to start seeing a pattern coming. It's forming. Option 1. So we're gonna count from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 from the bottom. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll go all the way back to the bottom, lace it. We're going to the second hole. across to the 6th hole. That's all we're gonna do. We just gonna go down and up, down and up. Get into it. Option 2. And this will be the 3rd option. I'm gonna come from right under this, right here. So this will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th hole. Doing the reverse lace. Go across like that. Just lace down. Lace like how you would regularly lace. Lace it down. Run these back all the way up to the top. Third option. Thanks for watching my video as always. Remember to hit that subscribe button, notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Also hit that thumbs up if you like this video or that thumbs up if you don't. I'm SneakerholicBeez and I'm out.